You drinking tonight? No?
Listen,
Where are you coming from?
Well, I'm coming from my girlfriend's.
Okay. I wrote you a ticket for 53 and 35.
Okay, when we go to court, will you swear on your family's life that I was doing 53? Because when I put you on the stand...
Yeah, of course. Put me on the stand, of course I would. You have a ticket for 53 and 35. Actually, you're going to go to court because I'm going to make it court mandatory. So you don't have a choice.
Trust me, I'm going to court.
You don't have a choice. Bring your witness. Bring everybody you know.
I will. I'm a big tough guy. Thanks.
Officer here's glad to see this badass drive away.
Drive out of here wildly, and I'll pull you over again.
But this pullover's not over yet.
I said pull out of here wildly, and I'll pull you over again.
Keep the cameras rolling.
You understand that? Do you understand?
I did my best.
Come with a safety rating? It comes sealed and served rare. I'm not paying extra for that.
Now you can make an offer anytime, anywhere. Ship, eBay. Just click the buy it now price or make an offer.
Very smart. And yes, it's great. Bessie Johnson, a family company.
My name is John Williams. I'm a deputy with Travis County Sheriff's Office. I don't know if everything is bigger in Texas or not. I know I've been 6'5" since I was in the 9th grade. I was born in Texas. I was raised a Texan, and I guess I'll be a Texan until I die. People drive quite fast out here. Good afternoon. Travis County Sheriff's Office. Can I see your license and your insurance?
I don't have an insurance card with me.
Okay, let me tell you the reason why you're being stopped is because you're going too fast. Okay. Speed limit is 65 miles an hour. You're going 75. Okay. Were you aware that the speed limit was 65?
Yeah, I thought it was like you could go from like 65 or 70.
Okay. So you thought it was okay to go about 10 miles an hour over?
Yeah. Is that right now?
Okay.
Written rule. You can go 0, you know, like 10 miles over. Everybody's heard of the unwritten rule.
Everybody, except the police.
Well, no, there's no such thing, but you don't have that insurance with you?
No, I don't.
Okay. I'll be right back with you then. Let's get me ready.
Basically, 10 miles per hour, I thought, that was cool. It was okay, That's what I've been told. Everyone says it, so.
Here are some other things everyone says.
The check's in the mail. It isn't you, it's me. One size fits all.
I don't know why people think that, but some people here in Travis County think that they should get 10 miles an hour over.
Well, I sure hope I get a warrant because I don't want a speeding ticket. I don't need a ticket.
Okay, now let me tell you what's going to happen here today. For the speeding, I'm going to give you a break, and it's just a warning.
Chance is lucky the cop lets her off for speeding and only cites her for failure to produce proof of insurance.
On the no insurance, just prove that you have insurance as of today's date to the court, and then they will dismiss that and they won't charge you a cent. Okay?
Thank you.
You still think that 10...
Kansas City, Deputy Hickman patrols Kears Point looking for speeders.
Neighbors in the neighborhood have complained about the high rates of speed that are driven on this particular roadway. They're out usually.
53 and a 30.
He's doing 53 and a 30.
Hello, Marco.
Figure out what the reason is for that such a high speed and see if he's honest with us.
Deputy Hickman, Sheriff's Office, Worcester County, stop me for 53.